Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you how to turn off automatic apps updates on this device. So firstly, make sure that you've got the internet connection and then we can enter the Play Store. Just tap on it. Now we have to enter our account, so let's tap on this circle here and enter the settings. Now let's tap on General, and as you can see here we've got the option Auto Update Apps, so let's tap on it. And here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got over Wi-Fi only, so they will be updated only if you will be connected to the Wi-Fi. We can also choose over any network, but be aware that it will also use your mobile data, so you may pay some money for that. And here we've got Don't Auto Update Apps, so if you're ready, just tap on this option. As you can see, since it is marked, we can tap on Done in order to confirm, and as you can see it immediately changes, so it means that from now on your device won't auto update apps. So actually that's all. This is how to turn off auto updating apps in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.